Oh, I got a new Glock today. Got the Glock 22 Gen 3. I almost said 21. It's the 40 cal. Now I already got the 23 40 cal. They're both the LE trade-ins, the law enforcement trade-ins. Got them off Palmetto. I just picked the 22 up today. It definitely got a little bit of wear, but it ain't bad at all. Really, the slide ain't that bad at all. It's got a little bit of holster wear there at the front tips, but the frame's got a couple scratches. Big scratch right there by the finger grip there. But I mean, it ain't bad for what I paid for it. Night sights are pretty shot. I don't think they're nighting anymore, but definitely worth the price though. It feels good. Trigger feels good. But good old Palmetto came in super quick. I think it was like, what, 2 or 3 days, I think. But yeah, not bad. Didn't come with the box though. They gave it to me in a cardboard box. It did come with 3 mags though. I will say that it came with 2 of the actual law enforcement issued ones. Government only. I got 2 of those and then just a regular Glock 40 cal. But yeah. Didn't expect to get 3 mags for sure. So definitely happy about that. Definitely wanted the damn box though. So I'm gonna order me a little box for it. But yeah, it's still worth it. Definitely. I'd recommend them. The LE trade-ins. Like I said, they got a little bit of holster wear. Even the 23 does, but hardly any on that one. 22's got a little bit more, especially on the frame. That big scratch right there. Probably the seat belt from the cop. But yeah, like I say, you can see the holster wear there, right on the front. But yeah, it's still not bad at all, especially for the price. Definitely recommend it.